And welcome back to my channel. As you see, I bought a new gun today. Finally bought this car. Already pretty long time wanted to buy it and try how it is to play with the 2-bullet kill, because it's one of the rare guns what is left here in this game who can kill with 2 bullets. There is still this M14 with 26 damage. A bit tried to play and was pretty okay. So today we will continue to explore it. We have Sandstorm again. 7 players. So we have players in the red team. It's like not bad gun, like of course it has slow fire rate, which can say compensates by 2-bullet kill, but example some Vortex who have 14 bullets per second fire rate. Hard to say which is better. Like, of course, I think that fire rate wins over the damage. So, where you are? Castle empty, only couple boxes there. Empty. Here empty, and here somebody having a walk. Unlucky for you, but lucky for me. That was pretty close. I feel the rocket came, I guess. But maybe I just guess. What are you chilling in those rocks? It was nice to have like unlimited view distance in the game, because very annoying when you can't see a bit more far. Maybe somebody who watches me is playing both other parts of this game, RCR and RCF, so it was interesting to know or they are alive or they are the same dead as this game, because as this game dies I need to think somewhere where tower go. So one of the variants is reloaded, but if it's the same then, so not a big use. We have 9 players and we have a tank driver, but not for long. But maybe I'm walking not for long. Yes, I was correct. 13 seconds, not gonna go nowhere. Anyway, we win it. 22-8. Let's look for the teams. What do we have here? We have... Looks like we have red, and I don't mind it at all. because I have a helicopter. And helicopter means many kills. In the most cases. Where are you gonna be all here running and driving and flying? Please don't, please don't. Please don't kill me, please let me kill you. Thank you. It was very kind from you. I got 2 kills. And only died once. Let's take the change beast with the where's my predator? Oh, here. So I need change with the beast, and beast I need change with this, and this I need here. Good. Can drive now with the tank to get some tank kills. I feel sad for the people who buys this game and they just comes here and basically what they see is nothing. What here they're hiding? And of course, twice I didn't get lucky. There must be helicopter already fast. I think this one will be quicker than that. Only 2k and 300 experience points need and will be level 33. Very nice. Come on. Spawn you, helicopter. Yeah, as always. Nine players and 2 spectators. Pretty amazing for this game. Now we need don't die, which is pretty not easy to do. But I'm gonna try. No. Of course. But there must be one more helicopter. 5-3. Where is my helicopter? Helicopter is somewhere sleeping. Oh no, it's back. Sorry, I don't take you. No. No, 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 no. Always you Forest Gump. 7-4. Maybe we'll get some lucky tank kill. Nice. So, where do we go? I think we do go here. Okay, he got out. So we need to be careful from the... And he's down. 9-6. Need to keep the score. One of them left. So one is sitting there. Good. Well now. And we do have a helicopter. Not anymore. Sorry. GTR. And who is coming for me here? Sorry. Where are you going to go? How did he happen to be there? So one helicopter is used. Must be second. 11-11. 0-4. How did this happen? How did this even leading? Please fall helicopter. Where are you, Salon? Yeah, like that it is. Nice weather, sunny, very bright. Please don't look straight at the sun. It can hurt your eyes, even if it's a game sun. Really, it's pretty bright. Sorry for the ones who needed to see it. 13-11, only 2 kill difference. If I just get my helicopter, I will make it good again. How are you guys dying so much? Of course, probably now I'm gonna die too. No, 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 no. Don't think about. I'm even not surprised. I'm gonna do smarter. Let's fly from the behind of them. Where are you going here? Did you run all this road to just die here? It looks like he missed, but it's not good that he knows where I am. Very smart. Good. Enough to fail. Let's take this thing. Let's try to kill helicopter. And I don't know where he is. There he is there. And he's down. So we can drive here. 4 kill difference. If really it's still possible to make win. Somewhere here, someone is sitting. Somewhere there, another one is driving. Are you gonna come out or not? Looks like you will. Finally, you disappeared from there. I saw somebody there walking. Good. We do have helicopter and I think Forrest Gump I can take. He didn't look so skilled with the rocket cam. Only I need to find him, which is not that easy. Where are you sitting? Okay. Let it be so. "50 seconds and 5 kill difference. We are 2, they are 4. And nothing else in the game there's no. So that's gonna be all for this episode, because there's just simply nothing to play. Sad reality of this game. Of course. How can it be different? Sometimes need and lose to win, so nothing horrible there. So let's go out. And the bit little shorter episode, but I can't do there nothing because not from me depends or there is players or no. So don't be upset. Next time I'm gonna try something make longer. And thank you all for watching. I appreciate every one of you. And see you probably tomorrow if only game will don't be absolutely dead. Thanks for watching. Bye.